friends, welcome to our YouTube channel Technical Knowledge with Engineers. My name is Sanket Bhute and I am going to tell you the most important MCQ question on energy and environment, Unit 2 Liquid and Gaseous Fuel. So let's get started. Friends, welcome. First, petroleum derivatives are mainly blank chemical. Option A hydrocarbon, B gasoline, C alcoholic, D aldehyde. Option A is correct, hydrocarbon. Second, what was coal originally formed from? A. Remains of dead sea creature. B. Sediments from ancient rock. C. Remains from ancient rocks. D. Remains of animal. Option C is correct. Remains from ancient rock. Third, which type of combustion is seen in liquid fuel? Uniform and complete combustion. B. Non-uniform and complete combustion. C. Uniform and incomplete combustion. D. Non-uniform and incomplete combustion. The correct answer is option A. Uniform and complete combustion. Which of the following fuel does not require excess air for its combustion? Option A. Coal. Option B. Cow dung cake. Option C. Diesel. Option D. Charcoal. Option C is correct, that is diesel. Next, which kind of liquid fuel are dangerous to store? A. Volatile. B. Inflammable and volatile. C. Flammable and non-volatile. D. Inflammable and non-volatile. Option B is correct, that is inflammable and volatile. In fractional distillation of crude oil, where is the hottest part of the fractionating column? Option A, the top part. Option B, the middle part. Option C, the bottom part. Option D, none of these. Answer is C, the bottom part. Which is the main compound in natural gas? Option A, methane. Option B, propane. Option C, butane. Option D, carbon dioxide. Option A is correct, that is methane. Next, which fraction live at the top of the tower? Option A, refinery gases. B, petrol. C, fuel oil. And D, diesel. Option A is correct, that is refinery gases. Next, where do the longest hydrocarbon molecule condense? A, the top. B, the bottom. C, the middle. D, none of these. Option B is correct, that's the bottom. What type of molecule is used as the starting point in cracking? A, a long hydrocarbon molecule. B, a small hydrocarbon molecule. C, a large alcohol. D, a large and small molecule both. Option A is correct, that is the large hydrocarbon molecule. Next, liquid fuel leaves ash content after burning. A, true. B, false. Answer is option B, that is false. Next, what are the main product of cracking? A, two short alkane. B, a short alkene and a short alkane. C, a variety of short alkane. And D, none of this. Answer B is correct, a short alkene and a short alkane. Next, what conditions are used for cracking? A, low temperature, low pressure. B, high temperature catalyst. C, high pressure catalyst. D, a large and small molecule both. Answer is B, high temperature and catalyst. The knocking characteristic of gasoline fuel are expressed in terms of certain number. A, true. B, false. Answer is B, that is false. Next, which of the following compound is considered for calculating the octane number? A. Isoheptane, B. N-hexane, C. Isooctane, D. Isobutane. Answer is option C. Isooctane. Next, what should be the octane number of middle speed diesel engine? Option A at least 35, option B at least 25, option C at least 65, and option D at least 45. The correct answer is option A at least 35. 17. Petrol is distilled at temperature in range of option A 30 to 65 degrees Celsius, option B 35 to 120 degrees Celsius, option C 220 to 350 degrees Celsius, and option D 350 to 450 degrees Celsius. Option B is correct, that is 65 to 120 degrees Celsius. Diesel fuel ignited with spark plug, true or false? That is option B, false. Which of the following is the lightest and most volatile liquid fuel? A. Diesel, B. Petrol, C. Uncondensed gas, D. Fuel oil. Option C is correct, that is uncondensed gas. Next, a mixture containing 60% cetane and 40% isooctane will have A. Cetane number 60, B. Cetane number 40, C. Octane number 40, D. None of this. The answer is D. None of this. Next, by which process does the knocking start in diesel engine? A. Due to sudden spontaneous combustion of the last portion of fuel. B. Due to delay in ignition of fuel. C. Due to the rise in temperature of diesel engine. D. Due to the part of diesel engine. The answer is B. Due to the delay in ignition of fuel. The process by which petroleum is refined is called fractional distillation, condensation, mining, cracking. Option A is correct, that is fractional distillation. The least polluting fuel of vehicle in CNG. A. True, B. False. Answer A is A, that is true. Next, which of the following compound is considered for calculating the cetane number? Option A 6-methyl naphthalene, option B N-hexane, option C isooctane, option D cetane molecule. Answer is option D cetane molecule. Power alcohols contain 50 to 60% of petrol, 70 to 80% of petrol, 50 to 60% of ethanol, and 70 to 80% of ethanol. Option is B is correct, 70 to 80% of petrol. Lastly, thanks for watching and do subscribe the channel.